Hi, in this tutorial we can solve the previous year's questions of 2021 on the subject of security and cyber laws. The first question of MCS215. Explain the concept and need for cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, or unauthorized access. As our world becomes increasingly interconnected and dependent on digital technologies, the importance of cybersecurity has grown significantly. It's also known as information technology security or electronic information security. Here are some key concepts and the need for cybersecurity. The first one is data protection. Data protection and confidentiality, ensuring that sensitive information is only accessible to authorized individuals. Data protection and integrity, preventing unauthorized alterations of data to maintain its accuracy and reliability. Data protection and availability, ensuring that data and systems are available and accessible when needed. The second one is threat landscape. The Internet is host to a wide range of threats, including viruses, malware, ransomware, phishing attacks, and more. Cybercriminals constantly evolve their tactics, making it essential for cybersecurity measures to adapt and stay ahead of emerging threats. The third one is financial impact. Cyber attacks can result in significant financial losses for individuals, businesses, and even entire economies. The cost of recovering from a cyber attack, including legal expenses, reputation damage, and system repairs, can be substantial. The fourth one is national security. Cybersecurity is critical for the protection of a nation's critical infrastructure, defense systems, and sensitive information. Cyber attacks can be used as a tool for espionage, disruption, or even sabotage. In summary, the concept and need for cybersecurity stem from the increasing digitization of our lives, the growing sophistication of cyber threats, and the potential for significant harm to individuals. This is the answer to the first question for the subject MCS215 in the December 2021 batch. Thank you.